Okay, today we're here to tell you more about the K12 treadmill. Okay, there's a question that a lot of people ask, like how to adjust the treadmill on this machine. Okay, you can see on the bottom, there's two bolt screws. Don't touch the small one, the big one. See, this one. And on the other side, there's same two screws, the big one. Okay, so during like transportation and like when you run, you have different balance on your legs. You will adjust treadmill belt a little bit. Sometimes you have to adjust the belt for it to balance itself and run in perfect position. So when the belt on the right side is scratching against the side wheel, you go to the opposite corner. So if it's on the right side, you go to this corner, the left corner, and put this one is inside your accessory box. Put it inside and rotate clockwise a quarter. Okay, every time a quarter. So this is a quarter. Okay, so this is a quarter. So adjust it to your perfect balance. So if it's on the left side, then you go to the right corner, put it inside the bolt and rotate it clockwise a quarter. Okay, so don't try to rotate all in once. Just do it by quarter to the perfect position.